Okay, we've extracted the transformer from the Maverick 250. Has all the same exact wires. Everything's the same. This part's the same. This part isn't. These side panels come off. I'll just swap out that side panel for the one on the transformer we're going to pull. Oh boy. Getting that one out is going to be a pain in the butt. Not looking forward to that. But we're going to plow ahead. Catch me later. Psychotech Lab signing off. Okay, we have switched out the outer shell of the transformer. This is the core, the one that had an issue. And definitely looks like it fried right in there. That's what I'm seeing. Looks pretty black. This one didn't look like that at all. So now we can go ahead and mount this one. Yeah, it's a project for tomorrow. I'm burnt. Psychotech Lab signing off. Okay, we're getting ready to install the transformer. I went ahead and put a rubber grommet in there. Wow, a rubber grommet. Go figure. That might save the day. Catch me later. Okay, and now the tedious task of holding the camera steady. So we have to cut, take the insulation off of everything. So we gotta strip it, solder it, heat shrink it. Yeah, I've been working on this for a while. I'm gonna take a break. I swear doing this is almost like pulling an engine in a car. Catch me later. So the tranny's all mounted. Yes, I said tranny. All the wires have been spliced and heat shrinked and everything. Everything else looks good to go. We're not gonna mess with this. Just like getting close to beer 30 here. I've been working on this for a few hours now. We'll put it on the Variac tomorrow. Run some power in it. See what happens and try to key it up again. And hopefully everything holds this time. Catch me later. That's right, Psychotech Lab signing off for the day. Okay, yesterday on Psychotech Labs, we put the transformer in, the replacement transformer, wired it all up. Today we are going to juice it up with a Variac, cross our fingers, pray to God, and hope. So here goes. Put some juice to it. 100 degrees outside right now, by the way. We got an AC unit in the garage here, but yeah, it's probably not gonna keep it cool in here for long. So without further ado, power switch is on. Power switch is on the Variac. Throw some juice to it. Up to 40 volts so far. Not really getting resistance on the Variac. $60 volts, so we're halfway there. $90 volts. 100 volts. 110, 120. Everything seems to be holding. Well, here we go. back online again. I'm not going to try to key it up or anything today. I just wanted to go ahead and make this final little quick video so we could finish up this this section of our p500 video. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and bag it. Like I said, it's 100 degrees out there, and yeah, it's already pretty damn warm here in the garage. So catch me later. Have a good day from Psychotech Labs.